Hello everyone, this is Attorney Sam Magalos, and today I'm going to discuss to you the taxes that you need to know when you buy a property. You need to acquaint yourself with these taxes when you purchase a piece of land, because this should be a part of your budget and a part of your discussion when you are the seller or the buyer. Dapat pinag-uusapan ang mga ito so that there will be no misunderstanding between you, the buyer or seller, para maayos ang iyong transaction. So ano-ano itong mga taxes na ito? Number 1, capital gains tax. What is this? You pay this when you sell something at a price higher than you spent to buy it. In other words, it is a tax levied on the earnings gained from selling capital assets. Number 2, real property tax. This is paid annually for owning real property such as land, building, improvements, and machinery. So saan ito binabayaran? Sa local government unit, because it is the LGU that imposes this tax as a means of raising their revenue to fund basic public services that they provide. Number 3, documentary stamps tax. It is a tax charged on documents, instruments, or any loan agreements and papers evidencing acceptance, assignment, sale, or transfer of an obligation, right, or property. Number 4, transfer tax. Ano ito? This is imposed whenever there is a transfer of ownership of the real property through sale, donation, or any other mode. And number 5, donor's tax. Ano ito? This is imposed on the free transfer of property between 2 or more persons by donation or gift, provided that they are still alive at the time of the transfer. Number 6, estate tax or inheritance tax. This is imposed on the privilege of transferring property upon the death of the owner of the land to the lawful heirs. You need to file and pay the estate tax before the ownership of any real property can be transferred from the decedent to his or to her heirs. Yan po. Yun dapat ang mga taxes that you need to consider when you buy or purchase a real property. And thank you for watching. This is Attorney Sam Magalos. To God be all the glory.